Every AI chip NVIDIA makes runs on their hardware. Every chip AMD designs gets manufactured by them. Every advanced AI server Microsoft and Google operate depends on their technology. There is one company sitting at the absolute center of the entire artificial intelligence revolution. And most everyday investors have never even heard of it. That company is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, ticker symbol TSM. And right now, there is a $1.5 trillion reason this stock is getting serious attention from Wall Street. Before we dive in, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research and speak with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Taiwan Semiconductor? TSMC, as it is commonly known, is the world's largest and most advanced chip manufacturer. Here is the critical thing to understand. TSMC does not design chips. They manufacture them. NVIDIA designs the H100 and Blackwell chips that power AI data centers. But NVIDIA does not make those chips themselves. TSMC makes them. AMD designs their MI300X AI chips. TSMC makes them. Apple designs their M-series processors. TSMC makes them. This means TSMC is not competing with NVIDIA or AMD. They are the essential factory that every major tech company on Earth depends on. No TSMC, no AI revolution. It is that simple. Now let's talk about the numbers, because they are extraordinary. In the first quarter of 2026, TSMC reported total revenue of $35.9 billion. That is a 35.1% increase compared to the same quarter last year, and they beat analyst expectations. Their high-performance computing division, which is essentially their AI chip business, now accounts for 61% of total revenue. Think about that. More than half of TSMC's entire business is now AI and high-performance computing. They also raised their full-year 2026 revenue growth outlook to above 30%. And they are spending between $52 and $56 billion on new capacity this year alone to meet surging AI demand. Now let's look at what this stock has actually returned to investors. In 2023, TSM returned 42%. In 2024, TSM returned 92%. In 2025, TSM returned 55%. Year-to-date in 2026, it is already up 31%. Over the past 12 months alone, TSM has gained over 114%. That is not a speculative AI startup. That is one of the most important companies in the world delivering extraordinary returns. Now here is the $1.5 trillion story everyone is talking about. TSMC just raised its forecast for the global semiconductor market. They now project the entire chip industry will reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. That is up from their previous estimate of $1 trillion, and they project that AI and high-performance computing will account for 55% of that market. They also project that demand for AI accelerator chips will rise 11-fold from 2022 to 2026. 11-fold in 4 years. That is the scale of growth TSMC is preparing their factories for right now. But before anyone gets too excited, here is what you also need to know. There are two serious risks with TSM that every investor must understand before putting a single dollar in. Risk number 1, geopolitical tension. TSMC is based in Taiwan, and the relationship between Taiwan and China carries real geopolitical risk. If tensions escalate significantly, this stock could drop hard and fast regardless of how strong the business fundamentals are. This is not a small risk. It is the single biggest reason some investors avoid TSM entirely, despite the extraordinary business performance. Risk number 2, valuation. At its current price of around $400 per share, some analysts estimate TSM is trading approximately 38% above its calculated fair value. That means a lot of future growth is already priced into the stock. If growth slows or misses expectations even slightly, the stock could pull back significantly from current levels. So where does that leave us? The bull case for TSM is as strong as any stock in the AI space. Real revenue, real growth. The entire AI industry depends on their technology, and a $1.5 trillion market forecast by 2030 suggests the demand story is just getting started. The bear case is real too. Geopolitical risk is not theoretical, and buying any stock trading at a premium to fair value requires accepting that you are paying for future growth that has not happened yet. This is not a video telling you to buy or avoid TSM. This is a video giving you the full picture so you can make an informed decision yourself. Research the company, understand the risks, and never invest money you cannot afford to leave alone for years. Which side are you on? Is TSM a buy at current prices or too risky right now? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe for more AI stock breakdowns every week. New video dropping very soon. See you there.